Welcome back, everyone. Now we're going to talk about data types. In order to help us illustrate what data types we have, we're going to use the function type. Type. What this function does, it tells the interpreter to output the type of whatever's in the parentheses. So let's start with type 2. What this is an integer. An integer is any number, whole number, no decimal points. Let's do type now with 2.2. This is a floating point number. As you can see, there is a decimal point and numbers coming after the decimal point. Let's do a really long integer now. 2 with lots of zeros. In version 2.7, this would be a long integer. However, in version 3.5, this is a regular integer. Let's move on to type of true. If you're familiar with this, this is a Boolean. Boolean is basically true or false, 1 or 0. Now, a specific thing in Python we have is how we deal with characters. So let's see here. A single character is interpreted as a string. That's because in Python, single characters are considered single-lettered strings. And we'll see the same type come out when we do ABC. It is also a string. So that concludes what data types we're going to be dealing with in Python. Next time we'll be doing variables.